Welcome to Drawing Tutorials. I'm your teacher, and today we will be drawing a red car. Now, to draw any car or anything, you gotta have an outline. You can't just go straight to the thing you're drawing and expect it to turn out proportional. No, that never works. So you gotta draw your outline first. And for the car, we'll start with a box. So we'll start from down here, like this, all the way back around. There, we got our box right there. And now we gotta split it in half right this way. Like so. And then you want to split the top half, or the top side, in 4 equal parts. So right here, and right here. Like so. After you do that, you want to split this side in half and this side in half. It might seem confusing at first, but it'll make sense. After you get down to this part, you want to grab this side and pull all the way to this corner right here. Alright? And then from this, you want to pull it from here down to here. From here, we can just start erasing with the eraser tool. And we can start erasing parts of the outline, because right now we have the outline of the car. So I'll start right here. Go all the way here, like so. Start right here. Erase right here, all the way here. Erase this. Now here's a pro tool right here. If this size is not the biggest, you can also choose this size to make your eraser tool even larger, and so you can cover more ground much faster. Now erase all of this side. By now you should be able to see the shape of our car. There we go. And as you can see, this is the shape of our car. Now, next we'll be going into windows. Now for windows, it's not really that simple. The windows are not in proportion to each other for, let's say, front window and back window. As you can see, this is our back side and this is our front side, and the back side has more rooms, so the back side should have a bigger window, like so, and the front side should have a smaller window because it has less room, like so. There you go, right there. And now we want to draw the doors. Well, the doors you got to split down in between, because, well, how else will you open a door? Like so. And you want to draw your handle for this door and your handle for this door. Now you would want to draw a line right here and right here, because since it's a door, we got to open just this side and just this side. You don't want to open this side and this side. That wouldn't make any sense. But now we got to add the wheels. Now for the wheels, we got to cut out a hole for the wheels, because the wheels don't show up as like a half circle underneath the car, or like right there, because that wouldn't make any sense. So we got to cut out holes. So we draw our holes like so and like so, and then we grab our erase tool again and we erase right there. Now here's where most people may mess up, but my job as your teacher is to teach you the pro tools. Now see, some people might go straight to the drawing the circle. Right here we have the tool called the oval tool, but we can actually make it into a circle. So if you look right here, we can actually make a circle. So we could grab that right there and use the same tool to draw our other wheel right here, like so. And then to make it even more realistic, we'll draw 2 small circles, one right, come on now, one right there, and one right here, to make the centers of our wheels. Now we just gotta draw the spokes, and here's another pro tool, the line tool. So we'd grab the line tool and make the spokes of our car. There, like so. But to make it even more professional, since that's the whole point of this video, you gotta make the little points connecting the wheels to the axle of the car, to make it more realistic. For that color, we will use yellow. Grab our pencil tool, make sure it's the biggest size, just put a dot right there. It's a dot. This should be black. Not sure what's yellow. Okay, we got some yellow left. Alright. Now that's done, we gotta color in our wheels. Now, since this is the inside, it should be darker, and this is the outside, it should be lighter. Since we gotta go with the more realistic look. So we'll make the inside darker, we'll use our fill tool, which fills in a whole color. So that's another pro tool right there. And we'll fill in right there, and right there. Now, since the outside of the tires, since they're on the outside, they should be lighter. If, let's say, this is during the daytime. So we'll make this lighter, but not too much lighter. There you go. And now we're done with our wheels. Now let's get into coloring. So we'll make, what color should we make this car? We'll make it a nice brown color car. Because nobody gets brown, but it's so unique that it's just amazing. It makes it unique. So cover in these parts right here, because we don't want our car, because if we fill in this part and there's some open spaces, it's going to fill in the whole of the whole background. So we don't want that to happen. So we'll grab our fill tool, we'll grab our brown, fill it right there. And right there. Oh, see, there's our first mistake. We gotta fill in every single space. If you can see right there, we don't have a space filled in. We gotta fill that in. Our pencil tool. There we go. And get our color back. Fill that in. Fill that in. Fill that. This. Oh, as you can see, there's a spot right there. We'll fix that. This. Yep. So now to fix this part right here, we gotta go back to our pencil tool, grab our black, cover that off right there, and now we just gotta fill in this with the color of our window. Now in our case, well, in any case actually, windows are always blue because they're just blue. And so we fill those colors in with a nice color of blue. I'd say this is, what does that say? Turquoise? Yeah, it's turquoise. So fill that in blue, fill that in blue. And now there's one major part that we're missing, and it's our steering wheel, because we all know you can't drive a car without a steering wheel. So we grab our pencil, we grab our black color. Steering wheels always start from the side, from the window, from this point of view anyway. I want to start from the side, draw the steering wheel. We won't use the circle tool in this case because it'll just be much faster this way, plus, it's more like your own doing rather than using a tool, so it makes it more like, because I don't. Anyways, so we draw our steering wheel, we draw the little spokes, or whatever they're called, out of the steering wheel, and that's our steering wheel. Now, we gotta color in our door handles. And for this, in this case, our whole car is brown, and this should be a darker brown because there are door handles, and that's what it should be. So I'm not sure if this would make, yeah, that looks fine. Or you want to go to our special tool here and pick from all the assorted colors as you see here. Now I'm not sure where brown is going to be, but is this a darker brown? Oh, that looks nicer. Oh, so much nicer. But there as you can see, there's our car. Now here is a special tool that no one, like barely anyone knows. But if you go down here, grab your whole car and move it just a little bit right here, you'll have room to work. And what I'm pointing at out here is you can make your car look like it's moving. And what I mean by that is you grab your line tool, you grab make sure it's color black. You grab any size you want. I prefer this size. And you just draw lines. Oh, what? My mistake. There we go. Gotta make that black. If you draw lines, it looks like it's moving. Now here's another pro tool. Or pro tip, excuse me. So if you want to make it look like it's moving even faster, draw the lines out farther and draw them longer. Look at that. It looks like it's going so fast. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And yeah, see you next time.